Hi and hello guys. This is my co-assistant Aditya and today we are going to show how to make the water go against gravity. Take some water, a glass and a piece of cardboard. First of all, take all the ingredients on the table. Let's start. Number 1. Pour some water into the glass. Then take the cardboard and cover it on the rim of the glass. Hold the cardboard by pressing from the top with one hand. It's taking too long for him. If you are too sure that the cardboard will hold the water, remove your hand. But be careful. Okay, well done, assistant. Till then, bye. Even though the cup of water is upside down, the water stays in place, defying gravity. But why? It is because the air is being blocked by the cardboard from entering the glass. Outside pressure becomes more than the weight of the glass. Therefore, the upward force by the pressure outside pushes the cardboard towards the glass. This is why the cardboard manages to hold up the water, not letting it spill out.